Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add text in your DaVinci Resolve project. So without further ado, let's dive in. So once you've imported your media, you want to make sure that you're going to the Edit tab right over here at the bottom. It looks like that. So once this is done, you want to make sure you're going up to the top left hand side and you will find a menu, again, Media Pool, Effects, Index, and Sound Library. You want to go into effects. Now, essentially, this will open a bunch of different effects. So on the left hand side, you'll find toolbar, and in toolbar, you will see titles. Now, once you click on titles, you will find a bunch of different titles as well as fusion titles. So what you can do here is choose the title or the text that you would like. Now, what's nice about DaVinci is once you hover your cursor over any one of these elements, it actually shows what it looks like on your video in real time, which is fantastic because you don't have to click down, drag it, and add it to see what it looks like. I'm going to select this basic text right over here, and what we're going to do is click down and drag it, and we're going to position it where we would like our text to be. You can see now that it has been added, and what I'm going to do is just lift this up so that we can see our text line. From here, what we can do is select the actual text, making sure that there is a red border around the text element. And we're going to go up to the top right hand side, click on Inspector, and here we can actually edit our text. So here we are going to say the countryside. And from here, we can continue to edit all the elements of the text, including the font, the color, size, tracking, the line spacing, alignment, and the list goes on. If you go down some more, you'll see shadows, backgrounds. You can also go over here and click on settings, and you can change the properties of your text, such as the transform, which would be the size, position, and rotation. You can also change the cropping. There's dynamic zoom, composition, speed change, and stabilization. So explore, play around, and see what works best for your project. Now, if you want to learn more about DaVinci Resolve, you can go ahead and drop us a like, check out our channel, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Peace out.